Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to do an unboxing, and it's going to be the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. This phone comes with 32GB of storage and 2GB of RAM. Also, it's the possibility to have this device with up to 4GB of RAM, but we have the cheaper version here with 2GB of RAM. Now the price on this device, the cheaper version, it will cost you around $100 and you can find that on the link in the description. Let's talk about the specs a little bit. This phone comes with a chipset Snapdragon 439 and it has a main camera of 12 megapixels and a selfie camera of 8 megapixels. Both of these cameras can shoot up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. So we have full HD capabilities, but we don't have any type of image stabilization. Also, we have a big battery of 5000 milliamps, which I believe is the key feature of this phone. Now let's look inside the box. We have the power brick and we have a Type-C cable. Also we have the paperwork and the SIM ejection tool. Let's remove the sticker and turn on the device. I will skip everything and go straight to the menu, so you don't have to wait and see the whole process. Now that the device is powered on and ready to go, we're gonna look across some apps. We are on settings right now. We're gonna see the Android version that this smartphone ships originally, and we have MIUI 11 and Android 9. Also, we're gonna take a quick look at the camera app just to see the options there. In this smartphone we have a big display of 6.2 inches and the resolution here is 720p. I'm opening a video and show you the 720p resolution. Now I have to say that this phone has a nice speaker, but due to copyright I cannot play this audio from this video, but it has a nice speaker, believe me. Also, I want to mention that I am highly against 720p resolution on a big display. These two won't go together, at least in my opinion. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.